Let us paint a picture for you. You've invested time, money, and dreams into a property, your home, office, or investment asset. However, the returns may not be what you expected. The energy in the space feels stagnant, or unexpected challenges keep arising. What if your property silently works against you due to unseen energy deficits? Introducing our Aura Property Scan Service, a revolutionary property evaluation and optimization approach. Unlike traditional property assessments, we delve into the unseen forces that can significantly impact your success. Imagine a service evaluating your property's energetic health across over 150 parameters. We examine various aspects, including earth energies, directional flows, cosmic influences, and even divine devta vibrations. This is not just a property check, it's a prosperity blueprint designed to ensure your space works for you, not against you. Properties aren't merely physical structures, they are living ecosystems of energy. If the energy is out of balance due to factors like geopathic stress from underground disturbances, negative grids that drain vitality, or low vibrational zones, you will feel it. This imbalance might manifest as constant maintenance issues, tenants who move out frequently, or a business that struggles to take off. Our service identifies these hidden culprits and provides actionable solutions to transform your property into a powerhouse of prosperity. You wouldn't buy a car without checking under the hood, so why settle for a property without understanding its energetic engine? Our comprehensive scan analyses over 150 parameters, a complete diagnostic for your property's soul. And the best part, we don't just give you a report and walk away. We offer tailored solutions to address any issues we find. Whether repositioning key elements, neutralizing stress zones, or enhancing positive energy flow, we empower you to transform your property into a magnet for prosperity. Imagine living or working in a space where the energy is so uplifting that success feels effortless, where residents thrive, businesses flourish, and returns consistently exceed expectations. Geopathic stress? Resolved. We identify harmful earth energies that may affect your health, wealth, or peace of mind. Negative grids? Neutralized. We detect and eliminate multiple layers of energetic interference. Low energy vibes? Amplified. If your space feels off, we boost its energy to attract abundance. Paranormal activity? Addressed. If unseen forces disrupt your harmony, we identify and resolve them. Stagnant profitability? Unlocked. Whether it's a home that won't sell or an office producing minimal returns, we shift the energy to create new opportunities. Are you tired of unexplained setbacks or a space that doesn't feel right? Imagine the relief of living in a home that radiates positivity, where every corner is infused with the energy of success. Struggling with low productivity or stagnant growth? Our service can transform your office into a hub of innovation and profit, ensuring success is just around the corner. Want to maximize your return on investment? Our service guarantees that every property you own is energetically primed for success, helping you feel confident about potential returns before buying or selling. Real estate agents, differentiate yourself in a competitive market by offering clients a unique, value-enhancing service that ensures successful properties. Step 1. Capture the property's aura. We evaluate your property's energy in real time with our patented tools or remotely using clear interior and exterior photographs. Step 2. Space energy analysis. Our experts unravel how your property's aura affects you. For example, a blocked water element indicating stagnation might lead to financial downturns, while a misaligned east representing sun energy could diminish vitality. We identify issues related to health, relationships, or prosperity associated with your space. Step 3. Energy optimization. You receive a detailed report and scientific and natural solutions that enhance your property and create abundant positive energy. Transform your space. Make your property a positive energy and prosperity powerhouse.